Hey, welcome back to Chef Pup's Kitchen. We always bring you the good stuff. Okay, what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be doing some battered fried cod. All right, we got a taste for fish today. All right, very simple recipe. What do we have here? Ingredients: baking powder, salt, sugar, garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, 2 eggs, 2 cups of milk, and in the bowl here we have 2 cups of flour. All right, we're gonna make this as delicious as possible and easy as possible. So without further ado, y'all guys, stay with me because we're gonna get a closer view of what I'm doing, and don't go nowhere. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add all the dry ingredients first. So we're gonna add the baking powder, salt, sugar, garlic powder. By the way, that's my homemade garlic powder. Smoked paprika and onion powder. All right, get it all out of the way. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna give it a nice good mix. Get everything all incorporated into this flour. All right. Okay, because what we're going to be looking for, a smooth, thick consistency. All right. And now the next step I'm going to do, I'm going to add my eggs. 2 large eggs. All right, I already pre-scrambled them already. So, here they go. All right, let's get it all nice and mixed up here. Okay, now we got everything all incorporated, and now we're starting on the wet. Okay. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to add a little milk at a time. All right, a little milk at a time. See how she just tightened up real quick? But you can substitute the milk for beer if you want a beer batter. Whoops. Starting to get there, as you can see. Add a little bit more milk. Now we don't want it too loose, we do want it thick. So like I said, you want to make it nice and smooth. Got to get it all out of this spatula here. There we go. All right, so I'm going to finish mixing this up. I feel like I don't need no more milk. I feel like I don't need no more milk. So we're going to leave it at this consistency here. All right, this is where you have to eyeball it for that thickness. All right, so I'm going to continue mixing it until it gets nice and smooth. So y'all guys stay tuned because I will be right back. All right, so I finished mixing up this batter, which is the consistency that I do want. Very nice, very nice. All right, so without further ado, give me a minute or so because I'll be right back with the cod itself, all right? So y'all guys stand by and I'll be right back. All right, let me explain to you about this cod here. This cod I have purchased from Butcher Box, all right? I'm gonna get this every month and it's some nice sized pieces here. It's a solid piece of fish, very nice. And you know what I'm gonna do with this here? Just gonna season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. All right. Turn it down. rubbed in. Same thing here. It'll rub in, turn it around, and so on and so on. This is gonna be delicious. All right, I'm gonna finish seasoning up this cod, and I'll be right back, so don't go nowhere. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I got the cod all seasoned, I got the batter made, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, both the fish and the batter, for about an hour to let all them flavors just marry together. So, guys, don't go, because this is gonna be really, really good, all right? I already taste this batter. This batter is delicious, all right? So I will see y'all guys very soon, and y'all guys stay with me, don't go nowhere. Hey, welcome back, everybody. Okay, what I also decided to do, I got me some flounder here also too. All right, a couple of pieces just to get rid of it. All right. So I do have my deep fryer set to about 350 degrees. So without further ado, let's get this in here. It's gonna be a little messy. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna be a little messy. All right. I'll let the excess drop off. All right. I got my deep fryer ready to go. And here we go. And here we go. And I'm gonna let her fry up. See if I can get you a nice good shot of it. Gotta go the other way. There we go. Give it a nice good shake. Let me get my hands washed up. I should have been wearing gloves doing this. All right. The fish doesn't take long to cook. All right, but you want it to get golden brown. Nice and golden brown. All right, when this fish is done frying, I shall return, so y'all guys don't go nowhere. All right, all the fish is done, and it is very, very delicious. I'm going to leave a description in the body of this video so y'all guys can follow it and y'all guys can try it yourself. You know, just change things if you want to change things, but this is very delicious. All right, so without further ado, I will see y'all guys on the next video. And also, if you can hit the subscribe, give me thumbs up, ring that bell, and tell your friends and family about Cooking with Chef Puff. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.